We had a good day. Our team.
Now up to bat for the Rip.
Come here, look at me. Slim Jim.
Max? How come Quinn?
Who are they playing? Who are the Riverbanks playing? Oh, Riverbanks.
Probably not.
Why do you think she's not here?
I know you don't feel good, but you still hold it for your stuff.
Why don't you put her in?
I know.
Listen up.
I gave points to someone.
Oh, again?
Yeah.
It was 3-1. Okay, I want you.
Hey, look at me.
Stop putting on me.